Dive into the mesmerizing world of brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, a groundbreaking technology that's transforming our lives and offering infinite possibilities. By linking the human brain directly to computers and electronic devices, BCIs empower individuals to control machines with mere thoughts. Experience the cutting-edge advancements that are revolutionizing our interactions with the world around us. Discover how the synergy of neuroscience, machine learning, and engineering has made the once fictional concept of BCIs a reality. From electrodes on the scalp translating brain signals into computer commands, to the wide-ranging applications that are already changing lives. Marvel at the transformative power of BCIs in medicine, offering hope to those with disabilities and conditions such as paralysis, amputations, and communication disorders. Imagine controlling a robotic arm or communicating through thought alone. BCIs are making this possible. But the potential of BCIs doesn't stop there. Envision a gaming experience where your thoughts control the characters or immerse yourself in virtual reality like never before. Picture accelerated learning and skill acquisition in education and training, all made possible through BCIs. However, this captivating technology also raises questions about privacy, security, and ethics, especially when it comes to human enhancement and military applications. As BCIs become more prevalent, we must address these concerns while embracing the extraordinary benefits they offer. Join us as we explore the incredible world of brain-computer interfaces, a technology that's redefining our abilities and reshaping the future.